Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, for the first you have to go for your calendar. After that, let's click here. Then tap on the switcher in the right corner, select event, and right now just add the title. And here we can set up also other things. For example, we can add the description of our event, we can set the reminder, we can add the location, we can also change the estimated zone time. And if you set up everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner on the save button. And as you can see, here we got our event. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.